Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials and taking the first concrete actions. Create a venv and install Python 3. 10 plus, then pip install transformers, torch, and fastappy so your stack is ready. Once done, secure any API keys or download model weights if you'll use a local model, and decide CPU versus GPU based on budget. Make sure to format a compact dataset of 101,000 example prompt reply pairs in JSONL. This gives you immediate data to prototype training and evaluation. You now implement the Chatbots core. Load the model and tokenizer and design prompt templates that include conversation history. This improves context and reduces hallucinations. Then add batching and streaming to handle latency. Streaming gives users immediate feedback while the model completes. Make sure to include simple safety filters and rate limits. Once those are in place, expose async API endpoints, fast API. Add unit tests for parsing and response logic, and implement graceful error handling so failures are predictable. You finish by packaging and deploying the service. Containerize with Docker, add CI/CD that runs tests, and deploy to your chosen host. Make sure auto-scaling and GPU assignment match load. Monitor latency, memory, and error rates with logs and metrics dashboards, and iterate on prompt engineering to improve quality. If something breaks, reproduce the issue locally first. Common causes are tokenization mismatches or prompt truncation. Check token counts and model input shapes, then retest to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.